We should have proper guard, pelvis backwards, bend knee, the forearm is slightly bent, and head up. Important tip: if the player uses high guard, cannot dig the low balls. But if the player uses low guard, can dig low balls and high balls. To have a good dig, we must have a good bump. If the ball has low energy, we add energy. And if the ball has average energy, we add no more energy. Also, if there is a lot of energy on the ball, we need to take away or absorb energy to control the ball. And at the end, we take our hand back. Dig position in zone 5. The leg next to the line is ahead. Also, the shoulder next to the line should be higher. Dig position in zone 1 is the opposite of dig position in zone 5. If we want the ball have a good and suitable height, we hit under the ball, not behind it. When the ball hits the forearm, we bend the forearm a little. If the ball was in our zone, we can reach it with one step, in front and next to us. If we want to bump from the side, we straight the forearm a little.